Malaysia's jailed former Prime Minister Najib Razak has lost his bid in the country's top court for a judicial review of his conviction in the SRC International case. Now, he has filed a motion to review the ruling on grounds that the court had breached the principles of natural justice, including his right to fair trial and to counsel. CNA's Afifa Arifin reports.
In a 4-1 majority judgment, Malaysia's federal court has dismissed former Prime Minister Najib Razak's application to review its ruling in the SRC International case. The sole dissenting judge on the 5-man panel was Chief Judge of Sabah and Sarawak Rahman Sebli. The judgment, which was read by Judge Vernon Ong, stressed that this hearing was to solely assess if there were any quorum failure that amounted to procedural unfairness. And in this regard, the judges concluded there was no bias or any breach of natural justice on all counts. The judgment added that Najib was the author of his own misfortune. Najib's defense lawyers had filed a review application based on 4 grounds on the basis that he was not given a fair trial during his appeal in August last year. The 5-member bench had heard submissions from the prosecution and Najib's defense team over 6 days earlier this year. Lead prosecutor V. Sitambaram hopes this judgment will bring closure to the SRC International case.
Legally, the accused has exhausted all avenues of appeal. It's also a vindication that the charges against Dato Sri Najib are legally mounted and not politically motivated by the prosecution.
But Najib's lead counsel Shafi Abdullah said it's not the end of the road just yet. He did not rule out pursuing any further legal avenues, including yet another review.
As a result of the minority judgment, which I thought was a lot stronger than the majority judgment, there is avenue that is open. Because there are cases that say review is not only once. If there are grounds, as long as there are grounds for a fresh review, you can always review. And the other thing is, of course, we got the United Nations as well as the pardon matter that is ongoing.
The lead counsel added that there was some progress in Najib's petition to the United Nations. Meanwhile, Najib has other ongoing trials related to the 1MDB saga. Afifa Arifin, CNA, Putrajaya.